Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got the inside scoop on the upcoming 2025 Audi A7 Avant, set to redefine the game as the successor to the A6 Avant. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our exciting updates of the car. Now, Audi is shaking things up with a brand new naming strategy. The A7 Avant is here to bring a fresh look at advanced tech, sticking to combustion power. But here's the twist: odd numbers for traditional cars, even for the electric ones. It's a move to make distinguishing between ICE cars and EVs a breeze. Hold on, though, the A6 name isn't going away. It's getting a new life in an electric model set to debut next year. Audi's e-tron lineup is expanding and we can't wait to see what a A6 e-tron has in our store for you all. Now let's talk design. The A7 Avant prototype spotted testing on German roads is turning heads with a look reminiscent of the A5 Avant. Slimmer, redesigned headlights and the iconic hexagonal grille and a streamlined bonnet give it a sleek and modern appearance. Check out those new alloys and flush door handles and the rear, a bumper width light bar and reshaped twin exhausts. But wait, that's not all. The A7 Avant isn't coming alone. It's bringing a sibling to the party, the A7 Sportsback. Together, they are ready to take on the rivals like the BMW 5 Series Touring and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Now, what about what's under the hood? While specific engine details are still under the wraps, those yellow warning stickers on the prototype suggest there's some serious electrical assistance in play. The estate continues to rock the Volkswagen Group's MLB platform but adapts to the house a 14.4 kWh lithium battery in the PHEV variant, offering an impressive electric-only range of about 60 miles. And here's the cherry on the top. Performance editions are on the horizon. Expect these to stand out with more aggressive bumpers, wider air ducts and beefier exhausts, plus substantial power boost that will set your heart racing. As we talk about the conclusion, there you have it. The future looks thrilling with the 2025 Audi A7 Avant. What are your thoughts on the Audi's naming strategy and the upcoming A7 Avant? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive content and stay tuned for all things of automotive. Until next time, just drive safe, stay safe.